Welcome back, guys. I'm Xander, and this is XanTech. Today is a big day for me. After a few months of running my channel, I've actually managed to hit over 100 subscribers. Um, that's a really big deal for me. It's been quite a journey. Never expected it would even get like 10 subscribers. So this is super exciting for me. Every day, just a little bit more. It's been one hell of a ride, learning all the little tricks and processes, learning how to use what was it? I started with Microsoft Clipchamp, and then learning how to put the videos together, how to edit the sound, and then doing reviews about a few of my favorite components, putting this PC together. Now I've progressed on from Microsoft Clipchamp to DaVinci Resolve. Oh my God, that was daunting. But yeah, it's been a hell of a ride. Slowly getting better, learning how to set up the lights. Um, I still have a few things to pick up and learn about the editing and the directing. So far, it's just me doing everything. So I set up the camera, I set up the lights, I set up the microphones, do all my audio editing, video editing, putting everything together, trying not to forget my lines. There's been a million outtakes, which I might add in a future video so you can see the process and all my mini screw ups. uh, yeah, hopefully there won't be too many of those in the future. But like I said, I'll do a compilation video of all my little hiccups so you can have a laugh and keep going with me on that journey. The ones that have supported me with all your comments and your likes and your subscriptions, it's been a big help to me. So thank you very much. You're all really amazing and really helping to keep me motivated to keep producing videos for you guys. I have a few things in the pipeline. There's going to be more components like the ones you see here. I have a plan for an NZXT video that's coming up, a new case. Yeah, really looking forward to that one. So for today, it's just a big thank you to everybody that's watched, everybody that supported me, and I'll have another one up for you very soon. Thank you very much, guys. I love you all. Stick with XanTech. See you again in the next one.